Okay, today's video is going to be about the audio system in the new Toyotas. This is in the audio systems that Toyota refers to as MM21, or Multimedia for 21. And they've been adding this multimedia system onto several vehicles, well, pretty much all of our vehicles now, except for the Camrys, the Siennas, the current Tacomas, and the 4Runners. Everything else has this MM21 system. And one of the bigger frustrations that people have with this is tuning the radio. It's not intuitive. Now, once you figure this out, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that are really going to help you, once you figure it out, it actually works really well. But getting it set up initially is kind of a pain. So you're going to hit the little music note here, and sometimes it'll say, enable audio. Go ahead and do that. But you get this. So the first thing that I tell customers to do, let's set up your FM radio. So hit FM radio. Ooh, turn the volume down. But then you're going to scan through all of the radio stations. It has done a scan. These are all the stations that are coming in here. So you can just touch that and it tunes the station. If you like that station, hit the little heart button. Slide that up. Go back to FM radio. Find another station you like. Find a bunch of stations that you like. Put little heart next to each one of them and build yourself a set of stations that you like. Now, if you want to manually tune, you hit tune. And let's go with 1035. Okay, tune to station. Hit a little heart. You can also tell Toyota what you want, although that takes a little while to tune. So we're just setting this up. Now you can add in XM radio stations because you have a 3-month subscription, and you can pick what kind of music you like. And again, you just hit the little heart button on everything that you like, and it's going to put that into your memory settings. Now this little button becomes, these two buttons here, the up and down, become really important, because you're going to see as I hit this button, we're going up and down through all the presets we just put in. And that is going to work no matter where you are in here. I didn't set this one up, but if I had Apple CarPlay or Android Audio on, it would go ahead and tune it. And then as you toggle up and down, you're going to notice on your dash here, it'll show you what station you just tuned to. That'll stay up for just a little bit, and then it disappears again. So that is how I have customers set up the radio on this thing. And you can hit the mode button to go through your different sources. So that'll go from AM, FM, XM. It'll go to Apple CarPlay if you're plugged into that. Unfortunately, it will also hit Amazon Music and Apple Music as audio sources. So there's no way to avoid that. It'll just keep going through the different sources that sometimes takes a little while. This is Amazon Music, but just keep hitting the button, the mode button, and you can skip through it that way. So that's the way to set up your audio system. After the initial setup, it gets a lot easier to use. You just use those up and down arrows, and if you need to get back to it, you can just hit that FM button. It'll do a scan. I wish there was a knob. I wish there was a tuning dial. We don't have it. So figuring out how to get around and work through this system that we have, it can actually work pretty well once you get the hang of it. I hope this has been helpful, and I want to say thank you to the sponsor of this channel now, which is Sheehy Toyota of Fredericksburg and Stafford, Virginia, and Sheehy Toyota of Laurel, Maryland. Visit them at sheehy.com. Thank you for watching.